fucking rain or something this afternoon, but look, don't it, huh? Ain't supposed to. Yeah, now you can go whichever way your heart's intended. Don't look like the Jews are grabbing a hold of that roof very good.
Huh?
Don't look like they grab a hold of that roof very good, whatever there is on it. If you want, I can get that ladder and push against it. That's like it makes you feel better. There we go. Regular fucking monkey. Yeah, now you need that what? Well, you'll do the same thing to wire you did the rope, can't you?
Yeah.
Yep. I don't believe what a little piece of rope will do. Look at that. Just like that.